So in this video, Helier College Math students, we're going to start collecting like terms. So, if we look at the example shown here, anything that has the same letter as all the terms with the same letter are like terms. So here we've got a 5x, I'll put blue, and we've got negative 3x. Those are like terms because they're both an x. Now we can see that there's a y, 3y here. Now there are no other y's here. So that's the only y. There are no other terms that are like that. Now what do we do with just regular numbers, or what we call constants? Well, they're considered like terms as well. So 2 is just a number, or a constant, or negative 2 rather, and so is this plus 5. So those are like terms. Right, so we add the like terms just like regular numbers. So we see that 5x and negative 3x is 5x take 3x, 2x. Just like 5 minus 3 is 2, 5x take 3x is 2x. The 3y stays as it is, and we've also got negative 2 plus 5, which gives us the 3. So that one there comes from the purples. This one comes from the red, just stays as is, and this term comes from the two blue terms, the x's. Oops, sorry. There we go. So, the examples down below, you could have a go at those now. Pause the video and then we'll do them together. Okay, so I'll have a go at them. Right, so quite similar to start with here. We've got a 5x and a negative 3x. Okay, so 5x take 3x gives 2x. Okay, now we've got some numbers as well. I'll underline those in red. Positive 3 takes 7. Okay, so let's think. 3 takes 7. What do we get? It's negative 4. So the answer to this one is 2x take 4. Okay, let's try some more. Okay, so we've got 4a takes 7a, and then just a 6 on its own. Okay, so 4a takes 7a. Well, it's like with the directed numbers. You just go like it's directed numbers, thinking of the number line. You can start at 4 and take 7 away, or you could think the numbers, the signs are different. So we've got a positive and negative, so we'll find the difference between 4 and 7, which is 3. And the 7 is negative, so the answer will be negative 3a. And then the 6 is just as is, plus 6 stays as is. So 4a takes 7a is negative 3a plus 6. All right, let's try this one. Okay, so we've got 3x take 8x. So 3x take away 8x leaves us with negative 5x. Okay, then there's only that one term with a y in it, the 6y, so we'll just go for it. Don't need to add or subtract anything from it. It's the only y that's there. And then we've got negative 2 plus 5. Okay, so see if you can work that out. Negative 2 plus 5 gives us 3. So negative 5x plus 6y plus 3 is the answer. Okay, now some BODMAS to remember. We're going to have to expand these brackets first. So think about how you expand brackets. Let's see, what do we get? 2 by x, 2 2x. 2 by 3 is 6. And of course we've got the negative 6 there, so we've expanded those brackets. Okay, so what happens here? Well, there's only the 2x on its own, so that can come down. And then 6 minus 6 gives 0. They cancel out, so we're just left with 2x on its own. Okay, 2 sets of brackets to expand here. Okay, let's do them separately. So first off, 3 by a gives 3a. 3 by negative 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Positive by negative, negative 6. Okay, so there's those brackets. Okay, now let's move on to these ones. So we'll put a plus, because there's a plus sign here. Bring that plus. Okay, 6 by 2a. So 6 by 2 is 12a. Then 6 by 5. 6 times 5 is 30. Right, so let's gather the like terms now. So here is 3a and 12a. Those are like terms. So we have 3a plus 12a. How many a's? The answer is 15. 3a's plus 12a's makes 15a's. Alright, now we've got negative 6 plus 30. Okay, see if you can figure that out. Negative 6 plus 30. What's negative 6 plus 30? Okay, different. The signs are different, so we'll find the difference between 6 and 30, which is 24. The biggest number is 30, which is positive, so it's plus 24. So the answer there, 15a plus 24. Okay, last one. Let's expand these brackets. So 5 by 2x gives 10x. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, now, got to be careful of this negative here. So negative 3 by negative 2x. Okay, so 3 by 2x is 6x. 3 2's are 6. Negative negative makes positive, so plus 6x. Did you get that one? Okay, let's try the next one. Negative 3 by 2. Okay, 3 2's are 6 again, but this time it's negative positive, so the answer is negative 6. Okay, so let's gather the like terms. We should be getting good at this by now. We've got 10x and 6x makes 16x's. And 15 minus 6, which is 9. Okay, so there are all the answers to those ones. A little bit of work in these, but practice makes perfect. So look up the questions in the video description and have a go at some of these expanding and collecting questions.